Well, you can't is the answer to that. So here's the thing with all of these kind of products, Jungle Scout, Unicorn Crusher, whatever, Amazon does not release sales data for items, does not release it. So what every single person does is they have to take what amounts to an educated guess at the actual results of the product in terms of search volume, in terms of store sales, and all the rest of it. And let me tell you, working out search volume, like here, this is search volume, is much easier because you can get access to some elements of that through API than working out sales volume. So search volume is how often somebody searches for something. Sales volume is how often somebody buys something, and that is a much different metric. So how can you check it? Well, you can't. You cannot see with any degree of certainty, no matter what anybody tells you with any software. Just know that it's bullshit if they tell you that you can. You cannot see with any degree of certainty how many sales per month somebody is making for a given product. It's just BS. You just can't get that data. It would be such a different proposition for us on Amazon if you could, but you can't. So what do you do instead? Well, I like merchant words. In fact, it's pretty much my main keyword tool that I use. It gives you the most accurate search data that I've yet seen, because they integrate and link with Amazon. And then from there you can extrapolate out, well, if you know that most pages convert between 10 and 20%, so perfumes for women, somebody getting the top spot on that would get X number of searches. They'd convert Y number of those into sales probably, and then you can take a guesstimate that way. Or you can use something like, I don't know if Sue's online. Is the lovely Sue online? She's not, unfortunately. But if Sue were online, she would tell you that you can use something like Terapeak, which is fantastic. And Sue put me onto this. It is a great piece of kit. And this will tell you how often somebody searches for something on eBay, but it will also tell you how many sales that person is making as well, which is fantastic. And then you can say, okay, well, eBay's got about this much of the marketplace, and again you have to extrapolate out. You can use something like the Google Keyword Planner 2 to see how many searches get done on Google. And so you use all these disparate, what are called data points. So how many searches on Amazon, how many sales on eBay, how many searches on eBay, how many searches are being done on Google AdWords. You use all these different data points to give you an overall view of the market, and that's all that, by the way, Jungle Scout does as well. So you'd just be doing exactly the same, except for you wouldn't pay $1,000 to do it. It's just exactly the same information that you can get from those methods I've just showed you. So that's what I do. There is no way of knowing for sure, but that gives you a very good educated guesstimate of somebody's margins and somebody's search volume, and therefore their probable sales volume as well, Carl. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.